54 and 55. Are you ready? Are you ready? 54, 55. Yes. It's gone. Very good.
The day to come, which should be given by the headmaster tomorrow. So this was told by Frank. And
what did Frank say?
that according to the rules, that the result might be announced tomorrow on the last day by the headmaster.
Okay.
But Frank was like, no one will listen to that. He said, this is proper Harris.
Okay. Is it? Capital says that. Very good. Please come. Please be seated. Number. Now once again, just look into your textbooks for a minute. Because I'll be asking you some questions and you have to answer them immediately after the enactment.
I think we missed this part.
Which scene did we miss?
The part where he goes, the Frank, he goes like, okay, oh, so you're staying back and doing your assignment. Why that? And he goes like, my sir is strict and he gives us so much work and everything. And then he like criticizes his sir by imitating him. And after that,
Does Frank encourage that imitation?
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't?
He tells, okay, oh my God, you're getting far ahead.
Crossing the
So he
limits.
stops him there.
Have I crossed my limits, sir?
Yes.
So what does
He was like, yes, sir.
yes. But then he asks, come again. Yeah.
Yes.
He encourages. Initially, he wants to encourage. He wants to listen, but at the same time correct the child. Isn't it so? He does the correction in a very friendly way. Right? That is the quality which attracts every student to Frank. Right? Yeah. But did Taplow say that Crocker Harris was a sadist?
No, he didn't. He was like, Crocker Harris was strict, but there are other teachers who are sadist, but he didn't really mention the names. So he indirectly, he liked Crocker Harris, like somewhere inside, but he doesn't show it out.
Yeah. Can we write here on the board, in this content, haven't you learned that students like strict teachers also? Did you? Crocker Harris was strict, but yet he did not label the teacher and he was ready to do his work. The student was ready to do the work because Crocker Harris was a disciplinarian. Right? Wasn't Crocker Harris a disciplinarian? He was a disciplinarian. But yet, students like, because we do not know, students do like even strict teachers. Right, very good. Likes and dislikes of a student. And then the nature of teachers. Each teacher is different.
The Browning version by Terence Washington, and now we are going to enact the play of page number 55. I, G. Abhishek from class 11A, I am acting like Millie, and Shiva is acting like Tableau, Kaushik is acting like Frank, and Rewritten is also acting like Millie. Let's start the play. Hello.
Louder.
Yes, I think she did. She was standing there for quite
If
some
she
time.
did, she would tell us.
Nonsense.
Are you waiting for my husband?
Yes, of course.
He's at the bazaars. I think he might take quite a long time. So, if I would be you, I would leave by now.
You particularly said me now. I think you should move away for quite an hour because it will take some time for him to come here. If he comes before me, I'll take the blame. And if you are free, can you do a favor for me? Take this prescription to chemist and make the work done.
Okay, Mrs. Crocker Harris, I'll get it done.
Thank you, Tableau.
That's it.
Madhuri of class 11A, and I'm giving the gist of page number 54. So So in page number 54, Taplow and Frank are having a conversation, and Taplow tells Frank of an incident in class in which Mr. Crocker Harris cracked a joke which no one really understood, and Taplow decided to be polite and laughed at the joke, and he was kind of punished for it because Mr. Crocker Harris asked him to explain the joke to the rest of the class, and so he imitates Mr. Crocker Harris, and Frank also joins in the imitation, and at that time Mr. Crocker Harris's wife Millie walks in.
I'm giving the gist of page number 55, in which Millie asks Taplow to get a work done for her, which is go to the chemist, and that's what the page tells.
That's all. She asked so as to save this boy by waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris is a very punctual person, however, he was late on that day. So that's the reason why when Mrs. Harris comes, so she tells him, you may carry on and I will take the blame. So she saves this child from the agony of waiting. Okay? Thank you.